In cities, heavy rain can overwhelm drainage systems, leading to flooding. But what if your roof could help? Enter the Blue Roof, a sustainable drainage solution designed to temporarily store rainwater on flat rooftops. Unlike traditional flat roofs that drain water quickly, Blue Roofs slow the flow, releasing water gradually to reduce pressure on urban drainage and mitigate flooding. ACCO's patented system separates the waterproofing from the water storage, keeping your building safe while managing rainwater efficiently. Blue Roofs can work under green roofs, solar panels, or even parking decks, turning unused space into a climate-resilient functional amenity. And here's the key issue. Blue Roofs are often more cost-effective than internal basement tanks, especially in dense urban areas where underground space is limited or expensive to excavate and valuable for other uses. They can also play a vital role in the water reuse strategy for your building. Sustainable, storm ready. That's the power of a Blue Roof.